I found a very interesting thread with a simple question. What is stopping you from building a product that will make you millions? And today, we are exploring the top 5 reasons why you have not created that multi-million dollar project that you know you are capable of creating. 1. No time to work on it. People complain about this a lot. Yes, you work a 9 to 5. Yes, you have a family to attend to. Yes, to have this. Yes, to have that. But do you know that the owner of that article talked about how he sacrificed all his available time to work on the software that made him over $1 million. A living is made 9 to 5. But if you want more, you want to make such huge amount of money, you want to make more than the average, you want to make more than the ordinary, you need to go the extra mile. You may need to sacrifice some weekends. You may need to sacrifice some night sleep. No, this is not for everybody. 2. No money, no investment. The owner of that article quoted that while making the game that made him over $1 million, he never had a sponsor. Neither did he have any external funding. So, if you've been stopping yourself by thinking you don't have the requisite money to fund the project, you don't have an investor, you don't have this, you don't have that, you have student loan to pay, you have this debt to pay, money is not an excuse, as you do not need the money to make the product. All you need first is an idea and the accurate skill of what you want to do. 3. I'm lacking marketing skills. I can't market. Only if I had a partner that can market. 1. If your strong point is building the company, why not get someone else as a co-founder that can market for you, that can handle the sales for you? Or why not hire your weakness? Hire a salesperson. As the author of the thread wrote, he used his audience as his main marketers. So don't let not knowing the ability to market hinder you from creating that $1 billion product you know you are capable of. If need be, get a partner that can do the marketing for you. Not an option? Why not pay someone to do the sales and marketing for you? Not an option? Why not partner up with an agency, someone to handle the sales and marketing for you? Still not an option? Do you have enough time to learn all the necessary skills? 4. Personal flaws, confidence, courage, fear. Generally, laziness, self-sabotage, and lack of self-confidence, these are personal flaws that you have to come over in order to be very, very successful. You may be very successful now and still have these negative traits. You have to be able to stand up and do what you need to do, irrespective of how you feel. So, conquer laziness today by reminding yourself of the importance of what you have to do. Conquer the fear of failure by helping yourself do it. Start with where you are at and test along the way. Conquer perfectionism by starting and building a product, then improving it as you go on. 5. Knowledge gap. Remember, the focus of this thread, the focus of this discussion is not what you need to make the money. It's what you need to do to build the idea. Having minimum viable product is a well-popularized concept, which is very good. But do you need to know the minimum viable product before starting work on your idea? Remember, the most difficult step to take when on a journey is the first step, which is the step you have to take. And once you take that step, you have to keep going. You can make your dreams come true. That $1 million idea that you know you possess, you can bring it to life. Only if you are willing to do what it takes. I'll leave a link down below to the original tweet and the original article that prompted this message. As always, it's been Commonsense Philosophy with your host, Akeem Adebisi. And here we believe that there are no obstacles to your greatness, but the obstacles you set yourself. Until next week Wednesday, bye-bye.